Hello everyone, welcome back to day 8 of our 30-day Power BI series. In today's session, we are exploring line charts and area charts. Okay, two powerful visuals for showcasing trends and patterns in your data over time. By the end of this video, we will understand when and how to use these charts effectively in your Power BI dashboards. Alright, what is a line chart? A line chart is a data visualization that displays information as a series of data points called markers. So, as you can see, these are the corners of that line chart. So, that is called the markers here, series of data points. Okay, called markers. They are connected by the straight line segments. It is especially useful for showing trends over time, comparing different categories. Okay, or illustrating how data points changes at regular interval. So here we have a key features. We can give a multiple lines. You can add multiple series to compare different data trend on the same chart, or you can give a markers. Okay, show data points at intervals for clearer visibility. X-axis typically represents time or ordered category. Yes. So what is area chart? An area chart is similar to a line chart, but with the area beneath the line filled with color. This provides a visual emphasis on the magnitude of change over time, and it's excellent for showing the volume or cumulative total over a period. So key features: stacked area. It shows how individual categories contribute to the total value over time. Useful when comparing parts to a whole. Non-stacked area shows individual category trends, non-cumulative totals. So transparency adjusts the transparency of the area to highlight overlapping data points. Okay, so now let me tell you the tips for using line chart and the area chart effectively. So use line charts for clear trend analysis. If you want to understand the progression of data points over time, then the line chart is perfect for you. It's simple and it avoids unnecessary visual clutter. Use area charts are best when you want to show how individual categories contribute to a total over time. The filled area emphasizes the total volume or size. Avoid clutter. If you have too many categories or series in your chart, it might become too difficult to interpret. Okay. Keep the number of series manageable to avoid overwhelming your into our Power BI. This is our Power BI. Okay. So let's load the data here. Click on get data from another source. Excel workbook. Connect. Here my data is a superstore. Click on open here. All right. So now uh, our data will be loaded in the Power BI. So this may take some time here. So I'll be selecting, I have a tree sheet in superstore data set. So I'll be selecting only the orders here and click on the load. Yes, our data is loaded in the Power BI. So now click on the drop down. Here we have a different fields. So now see here, whatever this wherever the sigma symbols you see, that is your numerical data. Okay. So now I want to change that order date to a hierarchical data. Here it shows a numerical data. Okay, so what I have to do here is you have to go to transform data in the home section. Click here, transform data, Power Query Editor. This window opens up here. Okay. Yes, so now here we are going to take the order date. Search for the order date here. Yeah, so here is our order date column. Now see here, I have 1, 2, 3, and here we have a filter. So just click on the 1, 2, 3. Here you get a different option. Thus you can change this column to a decimal number. You can change it to a fixed decimal number, whole number, percentage. So I want this column to be replaced with date or time column. Okay, so now click on the replace current. Yes, so now my column is changed into a change to a date and time series. Yes, okay. So here we have a shipping cost, right? So shipping cost is in the form of a decimal point. So what I do here is I'll just click here and change it to a whole number and click on the replace current. So the numbers will change to a whole numbers here. All right. Yeah. So you can do it. Even the unit price. I want to just see the whole number. So just click on that. Yeah, here after that you can click on close and apply on the left side of your screen. Click on close and apply here. Okay, so that changes whatever you have made in the Power Query editor, that you can see it in our data set here in the Power BI. So see here it's been changed. Here we get a categorical data. Now click on a drop down. Here we have a hierarchical year, quarter, month, and the day here. Okay, can you see? Yes. All right. So now we are going to learn a line chart in today's class. Okay. Yes. So in the line chart, what I do here is I'll give a product category. Okay, product category in x axis, and I'll give a order date in y axis. Okay, so see this is all right. Or else let's give your order date. Yes, so this is our line chart. So in the x axis, we can give a product category. Sorry, in the y axis, we'll give a product category, and in the x axis, we give a date, order date. Okay. Yes. So now here you can see I have checked for all year, data, month, and the quarter. So I just wanted to see only for the quarter. Sorry, year, quarter, year, and the quarter. Okay. So see here, this is your line chart. Okay, here these are your markers where you have to 2015 quarter one count of product category, but it just automatically takes for a count of product category, right? So here you can right click it. Yeah, you can change it to a count distinct. Okay, count distinct. So see, this is how the line is changed here. Okay, for a distinct, and let's keep it a count here. All right. So now here I want to see the month also. So count, and I want to see the date as well. So here you see these are the things. So when you take it here, this is your markers. All right. So here in the 2015 quarter to April 8, we can see product category is 11 here. Okay. Yes. So this is your line chart. Okay. So now when I scroll down here, you can see we have a secondary y axis also. So in the secondary y axis, I'll give yeah, product base. So see, this is a multiple lines, multiple charts. You can see it here. Okay. I don't want this now. I want to give a yes. So this here it's our product category and product base margin. Okay, this I have given base margin. Then the secondary y-axis. You can create a multiple lines as I told you while I was explaining a line chart, right? So here now see when I give a regions in the legend, so this may not take it. Okay. Yes. So see, it's not taking because either secondary y-axis I can choose it or the legend. Okay. We cannot give both here. All right. So see on the top left side of the screen, you can see count of product category, sum of product base margin, count of product container by year, quarter, month, and day. Here, this okay. Yeah, the same thing you can do it for your area chart. This is your area chart. All right. Just you have to click on and change it. The same thing I have given here. All right. Now I will give here. Now I'll give a region here in the legend. Yes, so see, we have a central region, east region, south, and the west region. Okay. Yes. So in the central, it's a 9 east, quarter one, 9, 1 south. Okay. This is how you can see it. So now here we have a drill down in the chat. We have drilled up and the drill down option as well. Okay. You can drill it up. You have a yes. All right. So this is your drill up, click to drill down, or this is your at the lowest level of data. You can use it. All right. Yes. So this is your line chart, area chart. Okay. The same thing you can do it for a line chart as well. Yes. So that's it for today. Experiment with line and area charts in your reports to uncover trends and add depth to your visualization. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your community. So stay tuned for day 9, where we will dive into another exciting Power BI visuals. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.